This is the final video to fix Hogwarts Legacy lag and stutter issues on PC. And if your game keeps freezing or running slow, you're not alone. These problems happen because your graphic settings, drivers, or background apps can overload your PC, causing the game to stutter or drop frames. Many guides on YouTube and social media show long, tricky steps that are hard to follow and waste your time. On Rexist, I'll share a simple trick that boosts your game performance quickly and makes Hogwarts Legacy run smooth, without complicated setups. If you want a full step-by-step guide to eliminate lag completely, comment below and I'll show you every action to fix it for good.